Hello everybody. Today we start the topic data hiding. So today we talk about the various oops feature features. First we talk about data hiding in that. Wait a minute, I zoom it. Data hiding. We talk. First, what is data hiding? Data, hmm. Data hiding is that outside person cannot access our data, cannot access our internal data directly, and और ये भी कह सकते हैं और our internal data cannot go directly. Means that मतलब if in a class we declare the like that, see, in a class we first example, as you know, with the Gmail example I take first. Gmail example, as you know, uh, in Gmail we have our in Gmail the all person have our own data inbox. For seeing inbox, first we have to validate. Without we cannot access this data directly. After perfect validation we can access our inbox box, and we can access our if we validate, then we can access our internal data. We outside person cannot access our data directly और इंटरनल डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकता. आफ्टर परफेक्ट वैलिडेशन एंड वेरिफिकेशन ही कैन एक्सेस आवर डेटा. लाइक जीमेल हो गया और हर जगह ये अब तो वैसे विदाउट प्रॉपर वैलिडेशन ही वी कैन एक्सेस directly. We cannot access it. Validate whether we are right, whether we are right person or not. Like in a bank you go and you want to uh, withdraw uh, some balance, withdraw some money. So without proper validation we cannot access our account directly. We have to enter put our card, then after we have to enter your pin, then we can access. Directly we cannot access. So in object oriented we can access this feature uh, by using data hiding. Okay. हाँ, तो एक और take that also. Without outside person cannot access our data directly. Cannot access. Okay. For example, you example Gmail. In Gmail without without proper username and password. We can't determine. We can't access our inbox directly. Okay. Oh, this is example, and we we can access our, if we validate and we are a valid customer, even though we are a valid customer, we can access our data only, not another person. Like in a bank, I want to access, I want to withdraw my money, so I can withdraw money from my bank only, not my friend's bank. Without without proper validation, we cannot access his data. We can access our data only. For his data, we can do validation, then we can access. Okay. Even though we are a okay, then how we can achieve in object oriented programming? How we can achieve that feature in object oriented? By using private modifier with the data member यानी variables, ब्रैकेट में लिखो data, using a modifier with data member variables data by declare by using a private modifier and data. Sorry. Okay, I take one example. The class test class in that I declare private variable in balance. On that variable our balance is there. Let's look at 10,000, and there is one function name with public करना पड़ेगा पूरा 68%, then he says that wait get balance. So we declare the balance variable with private keyword, then outside person cannot access this balance keyword directly. So we want to access data by using call the method get balance method. In that method, by calling comment okay, by calling the In that we do validation, and then he can assess. Proper validation, in that we do proper validation, the verification, then he can assess. Okay, he can access our data. Okay, by calling the, क्योंकि private में we declare any variable is private. Private can private uh, private variable can access inside that class only. Outside person cannot access directly. So if we want to access, we have to call the get balance method. In that we can write a proper validation and verification. Then he can access from that. By calling this method, he can access. Not directly he can access. So what is the recommended keyword for variables? Is private only. If we see if we if we see in C language, all variables by default private, but in Java there is a variable, there is a keyword name as default. But in Java there is a keyword name as default, so it's not by default, not by default private. It is only default because there is a default keyword. So if we want, so what is the recommended keyword? The recommended keyword is private. If we want to achieve a data hiding, because all people want to achieve, so it is a recommended keyword you can use to access our internal data. So that's all. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and please like and share this video to your friends, please. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's all.